Hi guys, and welcome to this second section of the Twitter Growth course, where we'll be focusing on profile optimization. Your Twitter profile is your online identity, and it's the first thing people see when they visit your page. That's why it's essential to make sure that your profile represents you accurately and effectively. In this section, I will be sharing with you my tips and tricks for optimizing your Twitter profile to attract more followers and make a lasting impression. First of all, the profile picture. Your profile picture is the first thing that people see when they visit your page, so it's essential to choose an image that represents you well. A headshot or a picture that shows your face is typically the best choice. Don't overthink it, a simple photo is most often the best. Your picture should be clear, well lit, and show you at your best. Avoid using logos, graphics, or images that are too busy. Also, make sure that the image is appropriate for a professional setting. Next up, profile background. Your profile background image is another important aspect of your Twitter profile. You can use this space to showcase your brand, share your personalities, or highlight your skills and achievements. Just like your profile picture, your background image should be clear, well lit, and appropriate for a professional setting. Make sure that the image you chose complements your profile picture and represents you well. You can integrate branding elements into your profile picture to make it more eye-catching and reflective of your brand. For instance, if your business color scheme includes red, consider incorporating a red background into your profile picture to reinforce your brand's visual identity. So, moving on to your bio. Your Twitter bio is where you have the opportunity to share your story and tell people why they should follow you. It's, in my opinion, also the most important part of your profile optimization. Your bio should be brief, concise, and accurately represent you. Use keywords related to your niche and industry to help people find you more easily. Also include a call to action to your bio to encourage people to engage with your content, follow you, and or reach out to you. Your bio should answer the following questions. What do you talk about? What are you building? Why should people follow you? What's in it for them? What makes you credible? My recommendation is to divide the first question into three broad topics, and later you can just expand to the others you might find interesting as well. So, for example, you're into coding and programming, you can choose coding and programming, mindset, tips/tricks, educational. The second question is quite easy to answer. You're just, for example, learning to code, starting a business, improving yourself, etc. The third/fourth question are pretty similar, and these are also the most important questions to answer, in my opinion. You can implement this in various ways. You can choose to use the I help method, which I like. After this, you can tell what you help with and for what. Or you can use the method I tweet about. The last question makes the bio complete. It gives the profile visitor confidence that you know what you're talking about. For example, running a 10K a month business, student at XYZ college, traveling the world while working, etc. Things to avoid in the bio are using hashtags. Hashtags don't help, this is because of the Twitter algorithm. Using links also doesn't help. Birthday information and last location. Now a short paragraph about pinned tweets. Your pinned tweet is a tweet that you have selected to appear at the top of your profile page. This tweet is an excellent opportunity to share a piece of content that you think is important or to promote a recent event or project. Make sure that the tweet you pin is engaging, relevant, and accurately represents you. Moving on to header image. Your header image is the banner that appears at the top of your profile page. You can choose to use this space to showcase your brand, share your personality, or highlight your skills and achievements. just like your profile background image. Your header image should be clear, well lit, and appropriate for a professional setting. Make sure that the image you choose complements your profile picture and represents you well. You can also add a call to action here, which I would recommend of some sort, with arrows towards the follow button and a text like follow for more. Last but not least, the Twitter handle. Your Twitter handle is the username that you use to identify yourself on the platform. It's important to choose a handle that is memorable, easy to spell, and accurately represents you. If possible, try to choose a handle that is similar to your name or brand. Also keep in mind that your Twitter handle is a part of your online identity, so make sure that it's appropriate and professional. Setting up your profile. When I started setting up my profile in the beginning, I began looking at bigger accounts and tried figuring out what already worked for them. It's common to see many people think they have to be unique or do something different to succeed. However, this isn't always the case, and it can lead to mistakes in their approach. But your best bet is to look at what is already working. So look at the popular profile 10 slash 50k plus followers, which is great in your opinion, and begin creating such profile, but now with your own information, your own profile picture, bio, header, etc. The last tips to remember are: remember, having more followers is better than following more people. Avoid using the follow for follow strategy.